When we are working with videos, sometimes we need to add different clips like b-roll clips or some images or some footage, etc. So let's see how we can grab all of those freely. Today I am going to show you, or I will list you couple of websites where you will get free videos or clips or b-rolls without spending any dime. You don't need to pay any money, so these are completely free and you can use it, but there is some small requirements. You can check those before using those things. The first website which I'll tell, this is called pixel.com. If you go pixels.com, then you'll find this website. This website has lots of videos, images, clips, b-roll, and so many things. You can easily choose the desired b-rolls or clips for your video clips. The quality of these b-rolls or videos or like clips or images are very high and they are easy searchable. Here you can type it and then you can also filter either photos or videos. So this is on good source of videos and photos, and here they mention clearly the best free stock videos shared by the pixel community, so you can use any of these for your project. Now the second website which I am going to show you, that is called pixabay.com. so here they mention stunning royalty free images and royalty free stock. That means you can use any of these resources for your video project very easily without any headache. And here they grouped all the resources for this website very nice way, like photos, illustrations, vectors, videos, music, sound effects, 3D models, GIFs, and so many things. And there is a search box. You can easily search by typing something, and here if you scroll you'll find lot of videos, clips, some music, many things are there. You can scroll one by one. So definitely this is a very good source of your b-rolls. So now the third website which I am going to tell you, this is called FreePic, and this is also very free, but there is also some paid version also. They are also telling that there is pricing also. Now this website also has several b-roll clips, but remember all of them are not free. Some of them are free, some of them you need to purchase. They also have the pricing plan, so you can also check from here also. I'm not a big fan of FreePic, but sometimes I use those clips for my video editing purposes or my clients' projects. You can choose any video, and based on that you can read the description for each video. There is description, you can use it, read it, and then after that you can use it for your project. Now the next website, it is called cover.co, and here they mention beautiful free stock videos, musics, and AI tools. There is search box. You just need to type it and then you have to hit the search button or enter key, and here they have different categories like videos and musics, so you can easily download those videos whichever is relevant for your project, and then you can use it. So this is really very good resource. So it has lot of cinematic b-roll, you can use it. Those are free, and most of them you don't need to mention that from where you get that videos or clips. Okay, now let's come to the next website. This is called Mixkit, and this is one of the free assets of your next video projects. You will click here and you'll find lots of things like videos, musics, then sound effects, templates, icons, so many things. And here everything is arranged very nicely. You can also search from here and you can also explore those things. And also there is some categories, like if you are searching for any sound effects, you can click here and you can go there and you can download these sounds for your project. And all the videos or everything, basically most of them you can use for commercial purposes only. Personally you can use, and also for commercial you can use it. Okay, so but again, before using any videos or clips, just read everything, whether those are like usable for personal or commercial, this type of thing. And that's all. These are some of the best sites to find the b-roll clips, both free and paid, depending on your needs and budget.